Hey guys, I've been wanting to try this for a bit, and the kid's finally getting old enough to where he can pretty much handle this now. So I've been wanting to do some father and son vacuuming. So with me today is Philip back there in the corner, and my 2 decade vacuums, the charcoal Decade 800 and the yellowish Decade 80 DirtCup. Philip will be using that one, and I will be using my beloved Decade 800. So, we're going to get started. Enjoy it. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Turn it on. Good job. Are you done? That looks good. Alright, let's stop right here. Do your power turn. Ready? There you go. Alright, let go. Alright. Turn it off. Oh. Phone's ringing, but I'll get that in a minute. So that was fun. We enjoyed it, I'm sure. We got a little bit more to do, but we'll get to that in a bit. And so we hope you enjoy it. Bye for now. Say bye, Philip.